In this video, you can see the positioner installation, important instructions, positioner calibration, ideal working of the positioner, and feedback calibration. The operating air pressure range is 2.5 kilograms to 3.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Warning: do not supply air pressure without a filter regulator, and do not supply air pressure above 4 kilograms per square centimeter. In the junction box, you can see the all connections. The operating input current is 4 to 20 milliamperes, 24 volts DC. Do not give more input power, it would damage the coil. Now you can see the all parts. That is the inlet air pressure connection from the filter regulator. This is the outlet connection from the positioner to the control valve. Let's see how to calibrate electro-pneumatic positioner. You can see the ideal working of the positioner. When you give 4 to 20 milliamperes, the positioner operates from 0% to 100%. In order to calibrate your positioner, first normalize 4 milliamperes to 0% opening. In this case, the input current is set at 4 milliamperes, but the positioner is opening at 20% by default. Let's fix this problem. Step 1. Rotate zero settings wheel clockwise until the positioner is set at 0%. Step 2. Set 5 milliamperes and rotate zero setting wheel anti-clockwise until valve movement has been started. Step 3. Set 20 milliamperes, and now you can see the positioner is not open at 100% perfectly. In order to open the valve at 100%, adjust the span setting. Lose the screw and rotate wheel clockwise. After achieving 100% opening, then tight screw back on a position. Step 4. Bring back to the 4 milliamperes and make sure the valve is on the 0% position. Now increase 5 milliamperes, but you can see the valve is not working at 5 milliamperes. So rotate the zero setting wheel anti-clockwise until the valve movement has been started. Then again go to the 20 milliamperes, and you can see the valve is open at 100%. Now the positioner has been successfully calibrated. If your positioner is not calibrated yet, follow and repeat these steps until the positioner is calibrated. Now let's see ideal working of positioner. The positioner converts a 4 to 20 milliamperes input control signal to a proportional pneumatic output. When you give 5 milliamperes, the positioner starts working. Then increase by 8 milliamperes, the control valve opens 25%, and 12 milliamperes input current opens valve at 50%. 16 milliamperes input current opens valve at 75%. And 20 milliamperes input current opens valve at 100%. Now let's see the feedback calibration. In this case, you can see the positioner is calibrated. On the other hand, the feedback measures the wrong signal. To fix this problem, first set 4 milliamperes input current and rotate zero settings potentiometer until 0% feedback measurement. Is that some following steps like positioner calibration. Step 2. Set 20 milliamperes and you can see the valve opens 100%, but the feedback does not measure 100% perfectly. So adjust the span settings potentiometer. After achieving 100% perfect feedback measurement, you can see in the feedback and scale shows simultaneously perfect feedback. Now feedback calibration is successfully done.